For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to play the role of a retail marketer, and I'm using the latest reporting capabilities in Cognos Analytics to help me locate the customers in my loyalty program who are most likely to purchase from one of my product lines, so that I can contact them with an incentive. I'll do this by demonstrating just how quickly and easily that I can use a report to pinpoint this target audience. I'll begin by adding a report title to help everyone follow the results of my analysis. The latest version of Cognos Analytics makes styling incredibly easy. My organization may have font or color preferences, which I can build into a reusable style so that all of my report objects contain consistency and I'm not duplicating effort. This saves me a ton of time. I should also make my bosses happy by including our company's logo in the header of the report as well. And it's now super easy to resize the image by clicking and dragging on the grab handles. No more jumping into object properties and trial and error to find just the right size. Now I can begin by adding the relevant KPIs to the report. And again, in the past this may have required a degree of formatting to result in a nice looking report. But now a lot of that authoring burden is done for me. Depending on where I drop the object into the canvas, the alignment realizes where it should fit relative to the other objects. I can also enable preview mode so that I don't need to actually execute the report to see how it'll look. Now again, I'll look to reuse some existing styles. The key here is how quickly and easily I can put this together. I've already created different styles for different KPIs, and I can reuse those whether it's simply colors or even borders. And again, I can just resize these objects by clicking and dragging. I also want to include content in the report that I know is already available in existing reports. For instance, I can open the report that contains the relevant information pertaining to our sales by geographic region. Then it's simply a Control-C to copy the object, navigate back to my smart electronics analysis, and paste that map onto the canvas. And I know we already have a report detailing all members in our customer loyalty program, so I can copy and paste that list into my report as well. Now I can interact with the list that contains my members to narrow the focus to only those who might be interested in purchasing smart electronics. I'd previously learned from the predictive model that Cognos Analytics built for me that those customers who had been members for more than 48 months were more likely to purchase, so I can create a filter to only include those customers. Then I can do the same to include only gold status members who live in the suburbs, and in this case I'll also exclude those who have already purchased smart electronics, but it's good to know that I can go back and target them to purchase some more. I can also see which types of marketing items they've responded to in the past so that I can reach out in the same format and hopefully generate the same interest. Now there are many ways to distribute this information, but one new capability within Cognos Analytics is to share an object directly to my team's Slack channel. This type of collaboration is extremely helpful. I can include an image of the report if I want, and I can also include a link so that my colleagues can jump directly into the report. The next step would be to burst a customized coupon directly to those customers who are most likely to respond. The new capabilities in Cognos Analytics makes report authoring incredibly easy to get the information you need to solve business problems faster.